Leaked Apple Watch Series 7 3D renders confirm new look in first major redesign. You know what? This was the story I was talking about the other day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they flattened the sides on the Apple Watch so it matches the phone better.
Yeah.
This is a no-brainer here.
You like this design?
Well, the problem is the thing has looked the same forever. I don't know, practically speaking, I would have to try it on because I'm one of these guys. You see, I have nothing on right now. I'm one of these guys, I really think about the ergonomics of it. Like, is it digging into me? How does it feel?
Yeah. And you don't like the round shape? Because you've been using Apple Watch.
I use the Apple Watch, and actually, I've had different Apple Watches over the years. I had some of the fancier ones that are heavier with the stainless steel.
Okay.
And then most recently, I was using the aluminum one, the lighter one. And I mean, it's fine. It's fine. Apple Watch is fine as far as wearables go. It's the market leader, really, as far as wearables go. It's hard to figure out. Maybe Samsung will send over this
The
Watch 4 because I would like to do an immediate comparison. But I started looking at the new Casio one as well, which I don't know. Did you ever talk to them? Why did they not send that to us?
I don't think I've ever talked to them.
I feel like they were trying to get in touch with us about the G-Shock Move Pro, which is their first Android Wear device.
Oh, okay.
Because I used to be big into like rugged watches. I just slam them off the wall and be like, I don't care.
Oh, that's you right there.
I used to wear them all the time.
Yeah.
And I kind of missed it. And so I was actually on this page. This gets power from, it's solar. It charges from the sun, man.
Really?
And because it's huge, it has a big battery. I mean, you can, if you need to charge quickly, you got to plug it in. Yep. But if you leave it near a window, and depending how much of the Android Wear aspect you're using, it has like a low power mode too. Because here's how I use a smartwatch, Will. I don't need it being smart all the time. Sometimes I do want it, certain aspects to be smart about it. But a lot of the time, I just want the time to be on there and to have access to a heart rate monitor in the event I want to use it.
Yeah, man, there's so many sensors now
for many
smartwatches. I think the latest rumor for the Apple Watch is going to have a hydration sensor. So many different types
the blood
of sensors.
Sugar, if they can find a way to do blood sugar. It's a lot. I'm not taking anything away from it. It's all very cool.
It is cool, yeah.
The health stuff, it's all very cool.
But again, give and take. Charging it every day.
Huge give and take. Charging it every day, and sometimes not even making it through the day with the always on display, depending how you use it. But this one has its own advantages and for sure its disadvantages. And it's got a free water bottle that comes with it for $900 as well. This is a lot of money. You don't have to get this one. They have one that skips the Android Wear, still is solar, still has a heart rate monitor, but is sort of semi-smartwatch, which is less money than this. But this was their latest. I swear, I could have thought they sent us an email. Either way, whatever. Send it if you hear this, or maybe I just buy it and check it out. I don't know. But I'm curious. It's big, though. You got to have fat wrists. You got to have chunky wrists to wear this thing. Because all the images I'm seeing, it's a big watch, that Move Pro. But I think the Apple Watch is ready for a redesign. I don't know if this is the right one, but right now it's a little curvy and the phones have that flat thing going on. So this would make sense to me. And it's slender. It looks like it got slimmer as well. So as a fitness tracker, I know it's important to people. Did they say anything else about it? Oh, here we go. Latest set of leaked CAD renders. Upcoming Apple Watch series. High quality, all flat design, larger speaker grills. Classic digital crown. Apple popularized. Okay, well, I mean, it's not, I don't know what else they can really tell us here as far as updates are concerned. But yeah, if it can get really slim, I think the fitness types appreciate such a thing.